As the Clarity Administrator, we have been tasked to migrate some projects from Microsoft Project to CA PPM. I have received a list of projects in Microsoft Excel, and now they need to be mapped to CA PPM. So we're going to use the data loader from the XOG Bridge to be able to perform this action. So the first step is we're going to open the XOG Bridge and go to the data loader section, and we're going to click on New. Okay? And New because we want to create a new template, and we're going to call this Projects MSP. And this is a migration of projects. Now, what we need to do is we need to actually load the XML file that pertains to that particular data load. Now, I've already prepared that particular XML file, so I'm going to just grab it from my Notepad++ and copy it and paste it into the XOG Bridge. And now I'm going to say Save and Next. Okay, you notice that it took all of the variables from my XML and turned them into XML variables within inside of my XML. Now what we need to do is we need to find the corresponding Excel file for this. So I'm going to go and I'm going to look for that particular file. And you notice in this particular case, it has taken all of the variables and automatically mapped them to the headers of the same Excel file. So now I'm going to just click on Next. And in this case here, we can see all of the files that it's generated for this particular load. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that it actually mapped the data correctly. So I'm going to just validate all of the variables. So active is true, billing currency, finish, start date, project ID, project name, and I'm going to say that's fine from the first file. Then I'm going to take a look at subsequent files to make sure that they're all mapped correctly, and they all look to be correct. And now I am going to just say run file. We have now completed this migration into CA PPM. So now it's asking me which environment I want to load it to. So I'm going to say I want to load it into this particular demo environment, and I'm going to click OK. And it now brings me to the status page of that particular load.